आज हम देखेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन फाइनल अकाउंट्स ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फॉर पार्ट 3 फॉर बिकॉम, बैफ, बीएमएस, बीपीआई, बीएफएम, आईपीसी एंड सीएमए। तो स्टार्ट करेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन फाइनल अकाउंट ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फॉर। First, under fixed capital method, capital of partner remains dash fixed, fluctuating, fixed and fluctuating, none. Under fixed capital method, capital of partner remain fixed. जब फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड हम फॉलो करते हैं तो अपना जो कैपिटल होता है उसका बैलेंस फिक्स होता है और हम उसके साथ साथ करंट अकाउंट भी ओपन करते हैं, तो करंट अकाउंट का बैलेंस फ्लक्चुएट होते रहता है। तो आंसर ए फिक्स। सेकेंड, स्टॉक इज वैल्यू एट डैश कॉस्ट, market value, cost or market value, whichever is lower, none of the above. Stock is valued at cost or market value, whichever is lower. Answer C. Third, under fluctuating capital method, capital account is credited with dash interest on capital, salary of partners, share of profit, all of the above. Under fluctuating capital method, हम कैपिटल अकाउंट ही प्रिपेयर करते हैं, इसके साथ करंट अकाउंट ओपन नहीं होता है, तो जो भी कुछ एडजस्टमेंट होता है रिलेटेड टू पार्टनर्स, ये हम पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल अकाउंट से ही करते हैं। तो अंडर फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड, कैपिटल अकाउंट इज क्रेडिटेड विद इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी ऑफ पार्टनर्स, शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट। तो आंसर all of the above. Four, in the absence of any provision in the deed, profits and losses are shared by partners in capital ratio, in loan ratio, equally, none of the above. In the absence of any provision in the deed, profit and losses are shared by partners equally. Answer C. Five, drawings accounts of partner is closed by transfer to dash capital account, current account, either A or B, none of the above. Drawings account of partner is closed by transfer to capital account. Answer A. Six, in the absence of any agreement, partners are entitled to receive interest on their loan was at dash 10%, 15%, 7.5%, 6%. In the absence of any agreement, partners are entitled to receive interest on their loan was at 6%. Answer D. जब कोई एग्रीमेंट नहीं है तो जो भी कुछ लोन होगा तो उसके ऊपर पार्टनर्स को इंटरेस्ट मिलता है 6%. तो आंसर D. 7. A partner acts as dash for a firm, agent, employee, third party, none. A partner acts as agent for a firm. Answer A. Partner agent का काम करता है फर्म के लिए. Answer A. 8. The relationship between persons who have agreed to share profit and losses of business carried on by all or any of them activities for all is known as dash association of persons, joint venture, body of individuals, partnership. The relationship between persons who have agreed to share profit and losses of business carried on by all or any of them activity for all is known as partnership. ये पार्टनरशिप का ही डिफिनेशन है. आंसर डी पार्टनरशिप. 9. In the absence of an agreement, partners are entitled to dash commission, salary, profit share in capital ratio, none. In the absence of agreement, partners are entitled to commission, no, salary, no, profit share in capital ratio, no, तो आंसर नन। कोई भी एग्रीमेंट नहीं है पार्टनर्स में, तो पार्टनर्स को इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा, कमीशन भी नहीं मिलेगा, सैलरी भी नहीं मिलेगा, प्रॉफिट शेयर इन कैपिटल रेशियो नहीं मिलता है, इक्वली मिलता है, तो ये भी नहीं आएगा, तो आंसर डी नन। Partners are supposed to pay interest on drawings only when dash provided in agreement, permitted, agreed between the partners, both provided in agreement and permitted. Partners are supposed to pay interest on drawings only when provided in the agreement and permitted. Answer D, both provided in agreement and permitted. 11. Interest on capital is dash and appropriation and expenditure and income, none. Interest on capital is and appropriation. Answer A. Well, interest on drawings is debited to profit and loss appropriation account, credited to profit and loss appropriation account, credited to profit and loss account. None of the above. Interest on drawings is credited to profit and loss appropriation account. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स जो होता है उसको हम रिकॉर्ड करते हैं प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन के क्रेडिट साइड, तो आंसर बी। 30. Discount account may show dash debit balance, credit balance, either debit balance or credit balance, none of the above. Discount account may show debit balance or credit balance, either debit balance or credit balance. Answer C. Discount on debtors भी हो सकता है, discount on creditors भी हो सकता है, तो आंसर डेबिट या फिर क्रेडिट बैलेंस दोनों भी शो कर सकता है। 14. Payment of rent to a partner is dash appropriation of profit, charge against income, either A or B, none of the above. Payment of rent to a partner is charge against income. Answer B. जो पार्टनर्स को हम रेंट पे करते हैं तो वो हमारे लिए एक्सपेंसेस होता है, तो हम चार्ज अगेंस्ट इनकम करते हैं, तो आंसर बी। 15. Transfer to reserve is dash debited to profit and loss account, debited to profit and loss appropriation account, credited to profit and loss appropriation account, none of the above. Transfer to reserve is debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Answer B. Thank you. Share करो, subscribe करो and like करो.